Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Mazda CX7 stock number 6370. This ran from 2006 to the second 2012. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 20-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door 1 crease. Left rear 20-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 20-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door 4 dents and stone chips. Right front door 1 dent and 3 stone chips. Right front guard 2 stone chips. Right front 20-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory 6-stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.